Google is quietly beta testing AI search, which will replace Google search as we know it. And I got early access. And because I love y'all, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And no, I'm not talking about AI overviews that they have right now. This is something completely different. This new feature is called AI mode, and it'll completely change how we Google going forward. Now, this is still in beta invite only, no public access, but I got it through their search priority user program. And it doesn't just pull links, it reasons, it gives direct, intelligent answers like your own AI researcher using the full power of Google behind it. Let me show you what it looks like. And you see introducing the new AI mode experience, a new search experiment that uses advanced reasoning, thinking, and multimodal capabilities from Gemini 2.0 to answer even your toughest questions. All right, let's give it a try. All right, first off, you'll see the UI is completely different. You see AI mode up here at the top. This is the new core thing that they're gonna have in the future, and they're testing it right now. All right, so let's give it a tough, like multi-step question. We're gonna ask it to develop a detailed itinerary for a 7-day hiking trip to Yosemite National Park, taking into account elevation gains, trail difficulty, seasonal weather conditions, and camping regulations. All right, go. All right, so you can see it's thinking about the query. It's also using search, it's reasoning, and it's spitting out the 7-day backpacking itinerary here. What's cool is it has all these important notes of what to consider from permits, reservations, weather, trail conditions, and even bear safety, which is important. And then you'll see these little links here. When you click it, it directs you to the link over here on the right-hand side. So you can see all of the different things that it went out and used to build this plan, which is like Google, but it's like having an agent do all the Googling for you, which is amazing. I feel like Google is finally taking the steps it needs to do to compete with the likes of Perplexity, ChatGPT, and all of the other major AI players out there that are embedding search into their products. All right, but look at this response. So it gives me some assumptions around fitness level, trail modifications, flexibility, so things I need to consider. And then it gives me my full 7-day itinerary. So there you have it, a sneak peek at Google's unreleased AI mode. This is changing how so many people Google. And a lot of you may be saying, Perplexity, ChatGPT, they're already doing this. Yes, but the other thing you gotta consider is there are so many people in this world that don't use ChatGPT or Perplexity or any of those tools at all. They still rely on Google. So think about that. They have an embedded base of customers that are gonna be introduced to this new way of search. This is gonna be a complete evolution for so many people that are not deep into AI like a lot of you that are following me. But I'm curious, as part of this program, I can give feedback on this new AI mode, and I figure, why don't we just like crowdsourcing? Give me the feedback so I can give it back to Google, and if you want me to test a different query or a different part of the functionality, let me know and I'll do another video on it. And as always, give me a follow to stay up to date on everything in AI.